Hi guys, my name is Luanda Pierre. If you're new to the video, to my channel, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now we're gonna go ahead and watch this video. I'm just frying up some bacon because I like using bacon in my green bean casserole. I'm not gonna cook these all the way through because I'm gonna cook it in a casserole as well. And this is about the consistency of how it's cooked for the bacon that I want it. Yeah, it's a little crispy. It's not too crispy. It's still, still like able to move. Okay, so this is all the bacon grease that's left over. And to it, we're about to add 2 tablespoons of flour on, it's on medium heat. So we're gonna go ahead and add, okay. Should have waited until the oil was hot, right? But that shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, it's kind of hot. I did it over here. We're going to use our handy dandy spatula to mix that all in. And so we get a beautiful roux. Yeah, we're getting that roux. Add some onions. Okay, this is 1 full, well, it's a small yellow onion. We're gonna go ahead and cook that in with the roux. Once it starts looking like this, we're gonna go ahead and add this cream. Yeah, that's good. Mix that in. I know what you're thinking. What's good with the seasoning? Not yet. Hold your horses. I got you. Okay. Like that. Alright, guys. Look at it. It's coming up to a boil. It's thick. And it's still on medium-high heat. We don't want to burn this, you know? So, what we're about to do right now is add a tablespoon of minced garlic. I know you're thinking this is a lot, but I am making a lot of this. So it will just blend in there. It won't be as harsh as you think that garlic would be. Alright. Okay. So right about now, we're about to add our mushrooms in. I roughly chopped them up and they've been washed, so I'm just going to go ahead and add them in, and we're going to cook these down a bit before I get into anything else. Now, there are people who like making their own cream of mushroom, and this thing here, this is pretty much your own cream of mushroom. All you would have to do is add more heavy duty whipping cream, your cream, and then this will literally be your cream of mushroom. But Campbell's is the taste of the holidays, so I try to make my own fresh because I like having some fresh pieces of mushroom in there, some bite-sized pieces in there, and then I go in and I add the can of Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. So yeah, but like if you don't want to use Campbell's cream of mushroom, you can go ahead and just stop at this step, but I am going to be using the Campbell's, and I'm gonna cook the mushroom down before I add any seasoning to it, so stop. Hold on for me, hold on. Alright? Alright guys, it's been cooking for, I'll say about like 10 minutes now. This smells really good, by the way. It smells really good. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with a can of Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. Okay. Alright, maybe I'm going to have to use a spatula, but just know that I'm putting 2 of these in, okay? Alright guys, my seasoning to this is half of a Maggi cube. I don't want to use a full Maggi cube because I'm using bacon. The bacon already has a lot of salt. I'm using the bacon fat. It already has a lot of salt. This is just to, it's like, it's as if the bacon is the other half of this Maggi cube. So I'm just using this much. And right after I stir in the Maggi cube, I turn off the burner because I'm now about to add in my green beans. And guys, I cooked my green beans al dente. They're clean, they're washed. I didn't think I had to make a video on that, but if you want it, let me know in the comments, okay? And this is like probably a pound. I just chopped them up really well. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this in. Alright guys, we ditched the spatula for a spoon. And here's what we're gonna do. The assembly of this, I'm using a deep pan. And here's our mixture, guys. Ooh, almost spilled it. Probably did. Alright, so here we go. Ooh, I just noticed that I'm using a metal spoon. Let's try that. That's a lot of it. So we're gonna try it and not try. We are for sure going to assemble this the way you would like a lasagna. You know, it sounds crazy, but my friend, he told me that's how he likes it, that's how his mom used to make it for him. And he's the one that actually learned, like literally learned to make it for him. But then I added my own deals to it and made my own recipe basically. So, with all this mess, let's recap. Alright? So, I used fresh green beans. Guys, these green beans are fresh. I cut, cleaned them, and cooked them al dente, which means they're not like fully cooked right now. They're gonna finish fully cooking in the oven. And I used fresh mushrooms. And I also used the Campbell cream of mushroom soup because it's the taste of the holidays. Everybody loves them some cream of mushroom soup. And everybody's just used to having their green bean casserole done out of a can. Now I'm using these. I have French's, but I'm using these just for the layering, okay? I'm balling on a budget here, guys. So we're gonna do this as if we're making, what's it called? A lasagna. Okay, your one. And then I do add cheese, but give me a second. We're gonna make layer 2 right now. So now what we're going to do is some cheese. Don't charge. It's the holidays, guys. Gain that weight. Then hit the gym and lose it all in January. If you have a man, try to lose it all in January because February 14th, yo, I went to Walmart today and Walmart already has, what's it called? Already has a Valentine's Day stuff out. And I'm just like, what? Sprinkle some of that bacon that we had earlier on top right now, just like a little bit. Just enough to get like a chunk of bite like everywhere. There's something that'll surprise the mouth. Don't mean that in a derogatory way. This is a kid's show, alright? Get your mind out of the gutter. Okay. So now we're we're gonna go ahead with this last layer. Get rid of this towel to bring this a little, okay, maybe not bring it closer. Bring you a bit closer maybe? Are you able to see better? All right, good. So now we're going to add more cheese. I don't mind making it for him like this. And then we're going to add the rest of this bacon, guys. Alright, so now we're going to go with the bougie French onion. So what I did was I put it in the oven for about 30 minutes to make sure that everything was cooked inside of there, and then I put it on low broil for like 5 minutes. And I know it looks a little bit dark, a little bit, but that's just the camera. This is the green bean casserole. How gorgeous does it look? You can see the bacon in it. Look at bits of bacon. This is so beautiful, isn't it? Like, wow. Oh my god. Alright, so I have it with some stuffed baked chicken breast. I have a video for it, you can find it. And I also have it with some creamy Parmesan pasta. I do not have a video for this, but if you want one, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I got you. I will put it down, I will set it up, and I will show you what I did for this pasta. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.